Your first time using Dia Browser doesn't feel like using a browser at all. There's no address bar at the top, no row of tabs, no extensions popping up. It opens with a clean workspace and a prompt to create your own. It's quiet, bare, focused. That's when it hits you. Dia isn't trying to replace Chrome or Arc. It's trying to replace the way you think about using the web. You name your first workspace, say Writing or Project X. Inside, you start adding cards. Each card is its own web page, note, or embedded task. You can close them, move them, archive them. It feels more like organizing a project board than managing browser tabs. You start browsing. Pages load quickly. There's no delay. Even with a few cards open, it runs light. Everything feels deliberate, like the browser is built for calm, not speed alone. Everything happens here. After a few hours, here's what stands out. What you like can include the distraction-free interface as well as workspaces that help compartmentalize tasks. What holds it back, however, are the no browser extensions and no sync across devices. So what's the verdict? Dia isn't for tab hoarders or casual scrollers. It's for writers, builders, researchers, people who want a browser that supports focus, not distraction. It's still early, it's missing features, but does it offer something no other browser does? A calm, private, structured space for doing real work on the web.